Okay, so the next step in this process is we're going to install the camshaft. All right, so here's our handy dandy camshaft that we got from Summit Racing, and we've got our cam card, and that's what's going to allow us to do everything we need to do here. So we get in there. These are going to be the numbers we use to set our cam up. It'll tell us what the lift will be at 60 thousandths of an inch, and we'll be using the timing wheel to set that up. But for right now, we got to install the camshaft, and we're going to do a dry fit on it because we got to put that in, and then we're going to have to put the timing chain on. So first things first, we're going to do a camshaft install real quick. So in here, real nice and easy, start working that camshaft in. There you go. Nice and easy. There it comes. There it is. There we go. All right. So our camshaft's in. Here's our number one cylinder. It's the first cylinder on the driver's side. That's going to be where we're going to check for TDC. We'll get TDC set once we hook up the actual timing wheel itself. So we're going to put the cover on. So this actually has an RTV seal that goes on this over the oil passages. So this is the camshaft retaining plate, is what this is. It's going to go in like so. We're not going to torque it to spec, we're just going to snug it because we're going to take it right back off. So we're just going to put it hand tight. That's all it needs to be for this procedure here. Because we are going to have to take it back out once we get everything set. We'll have to disassemble everything again so we can, we got to check clearances and make sure that timing chain is going to work. If not, we'll have to buy a multi-index timing chain. But if this one works, we'll just have to take it back out, lube this crankshaft or camshaft and get it back in. And then install our heads with our brand new ARP head bolts and brand new gaskets. So, all right, so we got the cam installed done. Now, we're gonna stop this video and we're gonna make another one here in a second.